Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're unable to open up the Windows security applications on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung Windows PowerShell. Okay, and then next, kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator, and then next, pop-up ito mga kaibigan, ang user account control, and then click mo lang itong yes. And then dito sa administrator, Windows PowerShell, and then kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na to. So ilalagay ko to sa description box, Get-AppxPackage Microsoft.SecHealthUI Reset-AppxPackage, and then copy lang natin yan. And then next ay paste lang natin dyan. Right. And then wait natin. And then next step ay kailangan mag-press yung enter. And then wait natin. Alright. So once nilagay na natin ito mga kaibigan itong command keyword na to, and then close lang natin dito. So ang next step na gagawin natin ay dito lang si start menu. So right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, and then next step ay select mo lang dito yung apps. And then dito sa apps, and then i-click mo lang tong installed apps. So click lang natin yan. Dito sa installed apps, dito lang sa search apps, ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung Windows Security. And then wait natin. Okay. So nag-pop up na yung Windows Security. And then dito sa right side, click mo lang tatlong dot. And then i-click mo lang itong advanced options. Okay. And then scroll down lang tayo. And then next, dito lang sa reset mga kaibigan. So if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. So i-click mo lang to repair. So click mo lang yan, and then wait natin. Okay. So if this app still isn't working right, and then kailangan na natin itong reset. So i-click mo lang to reset. And then makikita mo ito mga kaibigan, ang this will permanently delete the app's data on this device. So i-click mo lang to reset. And then wait natin. Okay. So after dito ay ang next step, close lang natin dito. Dito lang sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator, and then pop-up itong user account control. So i-click mo lang itong yes. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scannow. So one word yung /scannow, and then press mo lang enter. Alright, so makikita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan, kailangan lang natin hintayin na complete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita nyo dito na verifications 100% complete. Ang next step, close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang si start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang can't open Windows security in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.